Hey everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to create a voice channel on Discord in just a few simple steps. Click the Create Channel button to open the Create Channel dialog. A dialog window opens with options for channel type and configuration settings. Select the Voice Radio button to set your channel type to voice. This determines the channel's functionality. Voice channels support real-time audio communication rather than text messages. Click into the channel name field and type your channel name. For this example, I'm using Late Night Gaming. Keep your channel name descriptive so members can easily identify its purpose at a glance. Click the Create Channel button at the bottom to create your new voice channel. Your new voice channel appears in the sidebar under your channel list. It displays with a speaker icon to distinguish it from text channels, which show a hashtag symbol. Click on your new voice channel to join it. You'll see an RTC connecting status appear as Discord establishes the connection, followed by a green highlight showing you're now connected to the channel. If your voice channel doesn't appear immediately after creating it, refresh Discord and it should show up. You can edit your channel name or settings anytime by right-clicking on it in the sidebar and selecting Edit Channel. Voice channels support up to 99 members by default, and you can set user limits or permissions from the channel settings if you want to restrict access. To leave a voice channel, just click the Disconnect button at the bottom of your screen, or click another voice channel to switch. And that's how to create a voice channel on Discord. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.